Hello, my name is Muhammad Nabil bin Razman. Hello, my name is Muhammad Nabil bin Razman. My matric card number is 14 KM 23F1028. My lecturer name is Raman bin Ibrahim. Today I want to present about welding. Let's get started. Introduction of welding. Welding is a fabrication process that joins materials, typically metals, by melting and fusing them together. This is achieved by applying heat and often pressure. The process plays a crucial role in construction, manufacturing, and various industries, enabling the creation of strong and durable connections between metal components. There are several types of welding. First, shielded metal arc welding, small. Second one is gas tungsten arc welding, GTAW. And third, gas metal arc welding, GMAW. And the last one, cold arc welding, FCAW. So, problem in this case, the 1,000-liter cargo tank had a leak on the inner welder tanker. The welding decided to continue repair even though the company's written safety policy requires the use of an exploration meter at that time. Question: what action, corrective and preventive actions that management can take to improve safe work system for welding work confined spaces? So suggest five corrective actions and five preventive actions that management can take to improve safe work system for welding work in confined spaces. This here we got five corrective actions to improve safe work system for welding work in confined spaces. To improve the safe work system in welding work in closed spaces, you can take some of the following corrective actions. First, we got provision of good ventilation. Ensure an effective ventilation system to reduce the release of heat, dust, and harmful gases in the welding space. This help ensure good air quality for workers. The second one, use of personal protective equipment (PPE). Ensure workers are equipped with appropriate PPE such as welding masks, welding gloves, and protective clothing to protect them from potential hazards including UV rays and heat. Next, welding safety training. Provide adequate safety training to workers to ensure they understand the risks and safety procedures in welding work, including emergency actions to be taken. Fourth, periodic inspection of welding equipment. Perform periodic inspections of welding machines, safety equipment, and ventilation system to ensure reliability and optimal performance. The last one is designation of a safe work area. Design a safe work zone with necessary warning signs and safety equipment. Make sure this area is free of flammable or other hazardous materials. This measure help create a safe working environment and contribute to the health of workers involved in welding work in confined spaces. So next we go five preventive measures to improve safety work systems for welding work for closed spaces. To improve safe work system in welding work in closed spaces, take into account the following precautions. First, organization of safety training. Implement comprehensive safety training for all workers, emphasizing welding's risks and ways to avoid them. Next, welding equipment inspection. Ensure welding equipment and ventilation systems are checked regularly to ensure optimal performance and reduce the risk of emergency. Third, improve ventilation. Assess and improve the ventilation system to ensure good air flow and reduce the concentration of hazardous gases and dust in the welding room. Next, using safety monitoring systems such as gas and heat detectors to immediately detect and conditions that could cause danger. The last one is coordination with safety standards. Ensure welding worker practices are in line with industry safety standards and local regulations and constantly update safety procedures according to current requirements. Through these measures, you can improve work safety in welding work in closed spaces, protect workers from risks, and create a safe work environment. So, My conclusion from this presentation is if these corrective and preventive actions are taken seriously by the management, it will help improve the safe work system for welding work in confined spaces and reduce the risk of unwanted incidents. Thank you. That's all from me.